another makeup video slash tutorial. Today's video we are talking about Melt's Babygirl stack. I have been meaning to do a video on this stack forever. I've had this just sitting on my desk waiting for me to dig into it. So if you guys want to see how I did this warm eye today, and if you also want to know what I thought of this stack, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's talk about Melt's the Babygirl stack. Here is what it looks like. Look at this cute box that it came in. It's this pink box with like an iridescent covering on it. It's so gorgeous. Okay, and then the inside of the stack, first up we have the color Breakup, which is going to be a matte deep wine color. Then we have the color Crush, which is a similar color to the last one. It's going to be like a berry wine color, but with metallic in it. Then we have Main Squeeze, which is a matte reddish orange. Then we have Scammin, which is a bright coral. And then we have my favorite color of the stack, Hourglass Romantix, which is a corally orange metallic color with an orange gold shift in it. It also has some gold micro glitter and it is so beautiful. I think this is definitely the standout of the stack. I would say that today's look is probably going to be a warm look. Haha. I think first up I'm going to get started with the color Scammin, and I am going to just use my big fluffy brush and I'm just going to sweep this throughout my crease. Wow, this is so pigmented. I really love all of Melt's products. I'm loving the two palettes that they came out with, the Gemini palette and the 27 palette. I have several of their other stacks and their liquid lipsticks, and I would say everything that I've ever used from their company has been like totally great. So I will definitely continue to purchase from them in the future as well. This is such a gorgeous color. Okay, so that color went on so super easy. It just blended right out. It took very, very little product. I think I maybe dipped in twice. Next up, we're going to be going in with the Breakup color, and I'm just going to be putting this in my outer and inner crease and just kind of creating a halo eye effect today. Again, this is super pigmented. I'm kind of just tapping on the color where I want it first, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. But I find that this just helps to minimize the fallout. You know what else I love about Melt as a company is that it has two awesome young women owners, and I think that that is just so cool. I think that, you know, they seem, from what I've read up on them, just very like DIY, started the business on their own. And that's just so badass to me. I think that that's just, it's something that any young girl can look up to, and their company, their colors are just so innovative and so unique. So, I don't know, I really like it. Okay, now I'm just going to go in and blend out that color I put down. Just blend around the edges. Okay, next I'm going to be going in with that Hourglass Romantix color, and I'm just going to be patting this down on my eyelid. But because it has a micro glitter in it, I am going to be tapping on some of this Too Faced glitter glue down on my lid first, just to make sure that that glitter stays put and does not end up all over my face. Wow, this color is so gorgeous. Now that I'm putting it on, I can see that there is some like hot pink reflex in this as well. It's coming out as like a pinkish gold color. It is so gorgeous. It looks a lot more like orange gold in the pan, but when it's actually on the eye, I think it picks up a lot more pink. Next up for the lower lash line, I'm going to be using Makeup Geek eye pencil in the color Plumeria, and I'm just going to be putting this in my waterline and then smudging it down below into my lash line. Next up, I'm going to take the color Crush, and I'm just going to blend this into my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with that Scammin color and my small fluffy brush and just buff this under my lash line and just kind of blend everything out with this lighter color. And just use it to kind of blend it in with the color up on my lids. And then last up with the eyeshadow, I'm going to be going back into that Hopeless Romantix color and my little pencil brush, and I'm just going to be placing this color on my inner corners. And I did spray this with some setting spray just because, again, it does have the glitter in it, and I just want to make sure that it stays put. Wow, I can't get over how absolutely gorgeous this color is. It's like crazy. It's so beautiful. And then I'm just going to take my little fluffy brush and just kind of blend out the edges on that just so it's not too harsh. Next up, I'm going to be going in with Kat Von D's tattoo liner and just doing hopefully a small cat eye. I say hopefully because, you know, sometimes it's like you just keep overcorrecting and overcorrecting to try to get them even, and they end up like taking over your entire face. So my hopes is that it's going to be a subtle cat eye because I plan on putting on some lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. I'm going to pop on some eyeliner, some mascara, and some lashes, and I will see you guys in a second. Eyes are done. Mascara is on. Today I used It Cosmetics Superhero Lash, and for lashes I am using Ardell's Demi Wispies, and I think that completes the eye look. So for highlight today, I'm going to be dipping into another melt stack. This one's the She's in Party stack, and I am going to be using Skeleton Kiss today for a highlight. If you guys have watched any of my videos, you know I use this all the time as a highlight. I love it as an eyeshadow, but I really think it makes a fabulous highlighter. It is a pinky orange color with a pink shift in it. So it makes an absolutely stunning highlight. So I'm just going to pop that on real quick. Okay, for blush, I am going to be using Scammin from the Babygirl stack. This is highly pigmented, which I found out from using it on my eyes. So I am going to be very light-handed using this and just really, really lightly go in. And that gives a really, really nice flush of color. Last up for lips, I'm going to be using Melt's liquid lipstick in the color Melancholy. And this is going to be a nice dark purpley grayish color. So I'm just going to pop this on and I'll be right back to give my final thoughts. I love the lipstick color. I think it's really beautiful. I think you could dress it up or dress it down. You could make this color super dramatic, but because it has a nice grayish tone in it, you could also totally dress it down with jeans and a t-shirt and make it super casual. It would also go with pretty much any color eye, which I love. And I have mentioned before that I love Melt's liquid lipstick formula. They make one of my favorite formulas. They're definitely in my top 5. They're just really comfortable, very easy to apply. I love them, and you know, as with all Melt products, I'm going to continue to purchase and buy them because I love them. So, final thoughts on today's Babygirl stack from Melt Cosmetics. I mean, do I really even need to say it? I love it. I love all of Melt's products. This is no exception. You know, to be quite honest, I actually love this stack even more than I thought that I was going to. So I was pretty sure, because I'm such a sucker for a warm eye, that I was pretty sure that I was gonna like this stack, but I love this stack. I think the colors are even better on the eye than they are in the pans, especially that Hopeless Romantix color, this right here. Oh my god, this is like so gorgeous. I think this is one of my favorite colors that Melt has ever made. I think as an eyeshadow topper or on the inner corner, on the lid, over another color, I think this would be totally gorgeous over like a super, super dark purple, black, or brown. If you just swiped that over as an eyeshadow topper, oh, stunning. So anyways, I love this. If you guys don't have this and you love red eyeshadow like I do, I would definitely pick this up. This is a definite win for me. So I think that just about does it for me today. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. I have a lot of future videos coming up. And if you'd like, you can also subscribe to my Instagram. I have Sarah Sargent MUA, that's going to be my makeup page. You can also follow me over at Sarah Sargent Pepper, that's going to be my lifestyle page. I think that's about it. So I hope you guys have a really, really awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!